Hello guys, and welcome to my channel once again. So today I'm going to show you how to record a presentation on a PowerPoint or presenting on PowerPoint and recording it in a form of video. So when you open your presentation like this in a PowerPoint, if you're using maybe PowerPoint 2019 and above or 2021 and above, you can actually record your slide as you are presenting and maybe later play it in a form of video. So open your presentation like this, and on the menu bars here you can see record as one of the tabs, so click on record. So when you come here, we have an option. If you want to record only the current slide, then you click here. If you want to start from beginning, you click here, but I just want to record the whole presentation. I'm just going to click on record. So when it comes out like this, if you want to record your face, or if you want your webcam to record your face, then you click on this one and it shows your face as you are presenting. But at the moment, just for privacy, I've off my camera. So when you are ready to start your presentation, then you just click here on record. So the presentation has started, and when you are done with your first slide, you can just click and it moves to the next slide like this. So when you are done with the whole presentation, you can click on the stop and it's recorded. If you want to replay it, you click here and replay it. So when you're done, you just close the bar and go to file. Click on file like you are coming to save it. Alright, no, sorry. Come here, export to video. So you click on export to video, then click here, create video. Then it asks you to save the video. So from here, you just select and save it as anywhere you want it on your PC, and your video is ready to play, and your presentation is recorded, which you can play at any time. Or if you want to send it to your students, then you can send it for them to view. So that's how it's saved. So it's saved in MPEG in a video form. Alright, so that's it for the day, and remember to subscribe to my channel for more videos on content regarding this